Good morning, everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, parents, and my dear teacher. Today, we, the student of 1E and 1K, are going to present class assembly on the topic I can and I will.
Let's take blessings from God and start assembly with prayer. Join your hands, close eyes.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् लहरों से
अरे ये मधुर ध्वनि कहाँ से आ रही है? लगता है मम्मा कुछ गुनगुना रही है।
लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती।
Mama, the poem was very melodious. Can you please explain the meaning of the poem?
Beta, it means if you want to succeed, you should never give up and always keep trying. Always remember this mantra, beta. I can and I will. Now repeat with me.
I can and I will. Tina and his brother Rohit are watching TV together.
As we go down to the start and see the departure of Team BMC.
One of the riders
Place here. Well, on this occasion, it won't be good enough for gold. It won't be a three-peat.
Tina, in I dream to become a cyclist one day, but how can I? मुझे तो अपनी छोटी सी भी साइकिल राइड करनी नहीं आती है।
Oh, that is a great idea. I think you should try it.
Three hours later.
excited Rohit is getting ready to learn his bicycle.
Did you really give up? Why? I will tell you a story about my friend Ant. will tell you a story about my friend Ant.
Long ago, a colony of ants lived in a hill. It was a huge colony of 100 ants. They lived together in happiness.
Oh no, water is coming into our houses. Oh, my babies! Run! Everyone! Johnny, are you coming with us? No way! Can you see water is all around? How can you go out? We will die. It's better to search a safe place. But what can we do? We are going to drown. It's better to run. I'm not going to run. I'm not going to give up. Do what you like to do. I am leaving this place with others. No, please don't go out. Don't run and don't give up.
The brave Johnny tried to save himself.
Tried to run from their house, but due to heavy rain, they fell in the water and died. But Johnny stayed there and worked hard to save himself.
Oh, my poor friend, if you did not give up, then you would be with me today.
Rohit recalled the mantra given by his mother. I can and I
Always
will.
remember this mantra, beta. I can and I will.
He tried hard. At last, he learned cycling. Hooray! At last, I learned how to ride a bicycle. Yes, I can do it. You see, Rohit, giving up can never help anybody. You must carry on till the last moment.
Friends, just like Rohit, sometimes we also give up, but always remember, never lose hope and never give up. Just like ants.
Now, in the school competition and win it. But what should I do? Dancing, singing, painting.
The award for the best dancer goes to...
Yes, I did it. I can and I will always remember this mantra. Now, some of my friends are here to share their experiences. Let's watch it. Hello, I'm Ira. I used to get afraid sitting alone in my room. But I don't know what I was afraid of. But then one day, man taught us in our SEL session that do the things again and again that you are afraid of. So I now started sitting alone in my room and I found there was nothing to be afraid of. So now I can and I will sit alone in my room without any fear. You know, I didn't know how to swim, but I learned it. And now I can swim very well. So anyone can learn anything. Hello, I am Vishti. I was shy to speak in, but with motivation from my mother and teachers, I decided to speak confidently. I am proud of myself. I can and I will. Hello. I am sure you all agree with me. If you believe the mantra I can and I will, then nothing is impossible in this world. At the beginning, it seems difficult, but once you determine, we are already winners. Even our parents are ready to share their views.
Good morning, everybody. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers for all the hard work and the efforts that they are putting in for our children's education. In the present scenario of the ongoing pandemic, it is not easy to take online classes, but I'm really happy with the way they have made a special connection with the kids and with innovative ideas like playing games, quizzes. These help children learn in a fun way. This class assembly will also help in boosting their confidence a lot, and I would especially thank Ruma ma'am and Parul ma'am for all their efforts and hard work. Thank you so much.
I would like to thank the entire school faculty for putting in so much effort for us during this hard time. The school has been off, but our learning hasn't. I'm extremely grateful to Ruma ma'am and thank you so much for making the things easy for the parents. Especially the listening and learning activity session went so well. Sir is quite happy to interact the session so smoothly. So I can say if you plan in a proper way, difficult things become very easy for us. Thanks.
Thank you, parents, for your feedback. Your feedback keeps us going. Thanks a lot.
Now I would like to call coordinator ma'am to share her words of appreciation.
Good morning, everybody. Lovely assembly. Yes, children, determination is very important to achieve success in any work you go for. it gives you strength to carry on in the paths. If there is any difficulty, you become actually fearless. But it does not come easily. You require a lot of passion. You have to actually plan for it. So I think this mantra, everybody is going to take away this mantra today. I can, and I will, even I am going to take away this mantra. I also fear many things. I also want to achieve this and be with this mantra, I can and I will. It was an amazing assembly, children, very good. Everybody performed so well. It was so nice looking at children speaking so confidently. I must thank teachers and the parents for all the hard work that has been put in to bring about this effect. Really good to see. And yes, the backdrops that were given, the recordings that were done by the parents were all because of their support. Thanks a lot to them. And congratulations to the teachers, Ruma and Parul Malhotra and Rekha for all the efforts they have put in. Thanks a lot. It was a beautiful assembly. Thank you.
Ma'am.
I would like to request Kumud ma'am, please share your blessings on our small tiny tots.
Please, Kumud ma'am.
Thank you, Rekha ma'am. Thank you so much. It was amazing. It was an honor to be a part of this assembly. The narrators were very confident and amazing. The story of the ant was very nicely done up. Adorable kids presented the whole presentation in a very, very amazing way. A huge round of applause for all the lovely children.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you to dear
Thank you so
Parul
much,
ma'am, Parul ma'am, Ruma ma'am, and Rekha ma'am for making me a part of this beautiful class presentation. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Rekha, would you like to speak some words?
Ma'am, after you and Kumud ma'am, like you said it, what I wanted to say. A big thanks to parents, because their efforts, like, they help us in doing the recording and then re-recording the things again, because like things were not coming up. So we like requested them to do it for 2-3 times. So it's like their efforts, which they were with us, standing together, putting up efforts to bring out this assembly. Nice presentation. And our children, small kids, they were with us at any time. Whenever we were calling them for practice, they were like, okay, yes ma'am, we'll be there. So thank you so much, parents, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to call Ira's mother. She wants to say a few words to us.
Okay.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to speak here. Honorable Coordinator, ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear students, I'm Parul Tripathi. I have been working as an assistant professor and an MBA coordinator at Amity University. Wow. But at present, I'm on sabbatical for pursuing my PhD. My association as a parent with Jaipuria School is since 2012. As I have my 2 daughters studying here, my elder one is in standard 7th and the younger one, Ira, in class 1. As a parent, I'm very happy with the manner in which Jaipuria has excelled in the field of academics and extracurricular activities. The basic reason behind, as a parent, I think, for this success is the leadership of principal ma'am, the confident and optimistic dedication of the coordinators, of the teachers. Everybody is working very hard for the success of our kids. Thank you, teachers, very much. I would also like to thank teachers specially for their immensely talented, dedicated, and hardworking quality that especially I found in the teachers of Jaipuria. Being a teacher, I can understand what hard work is behind the success of the kids. This pandemic has actually changed the education, the level of education, the kind of education we can see today. But again, it is the teachers who have made this path so easy and pleasant for the kids. Initially, online classes was actually very much problematic for everybody. We used to think how it will be done, how teachers will cope up, how it will be possible, but it has been fantastically done. Similarly, the online assembly, it was not an easy work to coordinate like it has been coordinated. So this is all the cooperation of parents, the hard work of the teachers, that this assembly has become flawless and successful. The Jaipuria school particularly has a perfect blend of academics and curricular activities. That is what we search for. Certain schools we find that they are only focusing on curricular, either they are only academic, but in Jaipuria it has a perfect blend. They know how much to focus on academics and how much to focus on extracurricular. When I sit and teach my kids, I find that almost major of the concept they are already knowing. It's only little bit that I have to contribute to work upon them. So that is something which I find very good in Jaipuria. I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, coordinators, all the teachers for the kind of hard work and dedication you are doing to build up the kids as well as development of the school. I would like to tell that the kids have started feeling that your school is a school away from a home, away from their home. That is a big feeling which is present in the kids. And I would like to wish all success to all the Jaipurians for their bright future. Now I would like to call Ira to continue further. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you,
Parul.
so
Thank
much.
you.
So much.
Thank you so much. Unmute yourself. Beta.
Unmute, Ira.
She's not able to unmute. See from your side, if you can.
Ira, check.
Yeah, she's unmuted.
I hope you all enjoyed the assembly presented by my friends. Thank you for taking the time out to watch our assembly. The assembly would have been impossible without the parents' support. So thank you once again.
Lovely.
Thank you, ma'am, and everybody present here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Beta. Thanks a lot.
Ira
Thanks.
is having fever. Still,
She's there.
Yes, ma'am. She's there.
Great. This is what is commitment.
This is the commitment.
They are
Exactly,
following the
ma'am.
mantra.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly, ma'am.
Thank you.
That's
Thank
good.
you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all my dear parents for the supports. You have been our backbone in this time. It's been like a long time that we are all dependent on you all, and we really thank from all my heart. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, Parul ma'am and Rekha ma'am, Ruma ma'am for all the coordination and everything.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you,
Bye,
Bhavna
bachchans.
ma'am.
Thank you, Bhavna ma'am, Kumud ma'am, Kusum ma'am.
Kumud ma'am, Kusum ma'am,
you.
everyone. Thank you, my dear children. Let me unmute you all. I hope you all enjoyed the assembly.
Yes, ma'am.